A secret technique that if you use it today will help you manifest anything you desire in your life. Hey, Scott Haug here, and in today's video we're going to be going through a secret exercise. It's very simple, very easy, but if you do it in every area of life, it'll start to imprint these energies on the screen of your imagination that will allow you to ultimately manifest these ideas and results into your life very quickly. Before we jump into that secret exercise, make sure you throw a like on the video. Also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we send out other great manifestation how-to content, methods, exercises, everything you need to manifest great results into your life. And also, if you're looking for a manifestation course, go ahead in the description below. It's our 5-step proven manifestation course, Manifestation Accelerator, that will help you absolutely blow your results out of the water. You get exercises, techniques every single week. It's going to be really great for you, as well as if you're looking to teach this information, we have a certification in building your own business, your own coaching business, Certified Manifestation Coach. In the description below, go ahead and book a call with our team and check it out. All right, let's get into the secret technique here. So in every area of life, I want you to write down the thing that you desire. One simple thing, one sentence. Write it down. 4 core areas of life: wealth, money, business, love, relationships, and also happiness and lifestyle. Okay, so those 3 core areas, and then you could always add in any other area that you want in that life, but the 3 core areas here. Write down a simple sentence of what you desire to have in that area. Once that's written down, go ahead in the comment box below and write it in type form. When you go ahead and write it down in print and then also type it out, it gets ingrained in your mind a little bit more, and that's what we're looking to do here. Second step here is start creating mini visuals for every single one of these results. Mini visuals. So it doesn't have to be a huge vision board with a million different things on it. Create a small visual for each one of these things. So for example, for your bank account increase, maybe you want to increase your income to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month, whatever it is. Go ahead and take a screenshot of your bank account. So you're going to log in, take a screenshot of your current bank account. You're going to copy that into something where you can edit as a photo. You could use simple free things as like Word document, a Google document, Paint program, if you're using a PC of some sort, right? Or you can use design softwares like Canva.com or something of that nature as well. But go ahead and find a photo altering editing software and go ahead and put the numbers that you desire into your bank account on that screenshot. So your original might have your checking account at $10,000, your savings account at $30,000, okay? In your new one, you want to put your desired level of income and money that you want in your bank account. $100,000 in your checking, $200,000 in your savings, $400,000 in your investment account, whatever the desire is, okay? Go ahead and put those numbers in there, print out that new sheet, and I want you to look at it every single day. Your new bank statement, not the old one, the very brand new one. When you have that brand new bank statement, what you're going to do is feel into it on a daily basis. You're going to look at the sheet, close your eyes and imagine that it's real. Talk to yourself, your inner speech matching those numbers in your bank account, and feel what it would feel as if you had that money. Excited, growth-oriented, progress, grateful, whatever that is. So you're going to go ahead and see that in your mind and feel it, okay? Another example would be if you want to have a new lifestyle, like something you want to live on the beach like I do here, okay? You want to go ahead and find some places, some homes, condos, townhouses, print out pictures of those, and go ahead and view it on a daily basis. Then go ahead and close your eyes and pretend that you live in each of those areas. You're going to see yourself in the living room. You're going to see yourself in the kitchen. You're going to see yourself on the balcony. You're going to see yourself on whatever, your yard, if it's a house, okay? And you want to explore these areas and again, live there in imagination first. As you do so, you're going to start to feel more familiar and more comfortable with that living as if you're there. And that's what's going to actually manifest, because you're impressing the feeling from conscious to subconscious. And as you do that, it's going to actually get into the screen and fabric of space. And once that happens, it's going to manifest on the physical plane. So really important here. Once you do that for that visual, then find another one for your health. Find another one for your relationships. You can do all different visuals, but create, again, one simple one for each area of life. Go ahead and see it in front of you. Close your eyes, see it in your imagination. Feel it to be true by matching your inner speech, your inner thoughts. Talk to yourself as if it is real. It's going to make a profound difference. Try this out for 14 days in a row. Every single day, 5 times a day. Okay? So do it in the morning, afternoon, dinner, just before bed, maybe another time throughout the day. 5 times for each visual, and do it for 1 minute. So it's 5 minutes or so per day. I'm going to wait for this vehicle to come by here. Very loud vehicle. So each of these visuals here, you're going to go ahead and see in your mind, feel it to be true, and allow yourself to be aligned with that familiar image, that familiar idea. Once you do this for 14 days straight, it should become a normal thing that you're in it, that you're feeling it, that you're aligned with it, and you ultimately see those results come into your life. We're going to take another second here because the vehicle's going back this way. It's a garbage collector here on the beach, so cleaning up the beach, collecting the garbage, all of that good stuff. Very grateful. All right, so once you do these visuals here for each area of life, again, you're getting more familiar and more comfortable with all of these things, and it feels as if you have it. That's the goal. That's your objective. I have this in my life already. Feel yourself in possession of it. Feel as if you already have it. And what that's going to do, again, is impress that image on the screen of space, and you'll ultimately start attracting it into your life. Try it out for 14 days. Keep yourself accountable in the comments below. I look forward to hearing about your great wins that come from this beautiful exercise.